Hello everyone, wanted to jump on here and just make a quick video here, tell everybody Happy New Year. It is now 2019, so I'm looking forward to a good year. But I just wanted to show you something here. The last video I had, we pulled the traps out. Definitely was something I didn't want to do, but I knew we would see some flooding, and I actually just caught the news last night, and they said in 2018 here in Ohio, I don't know if they were talking about specifically Central Ohio or Ohio in general, had beat the record for most inches of rainfall throughout the year. And I believe them because I've lived out here my whole life, and I've only seen this creek flood like this a few times in the fall and winter. You see them you see it in the spring once in a while, but it's definitely up. So let's take a look here. This is my food plot. There's the feeder. You guys watched right here is where my daughter Shayna would have shot her doe at. But yeah, it's completely up. There's the main creek down there. You can see where it's really carrying through at. But yeah, it's definitely up out of the banks here quite a bit. So let's get a look at it from a drone view. Now, as you can see here, the food plot is completely covered. Water's flooded all the way up to just below the blind. You can see the feeder. Everything's completely underwater. Now, as we move up the creek, we're heading down towards the ditch line where we caught the muskrat. Right here you can see the ditch that feeds through the field. Okay, all that's completely underwater. Now, as you can see, if we go back, we were able at one time to cross the creek and take the trail back through the woods to the back section to where we trapped most of the beaver. Alright, hey, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Just want to let you know I do appreciate all your support in 2018. I'm looking forward to bringing you more videos here in 2019. I'm hoping we can just keep growing the channel because I do appreciate it. I do enjoy doing this. I do enjoy interacting with everybody. So looking forward to a great 2019, and we'll see you on the next video.